In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube music not playing. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. You might need to switch to a different network, or you might also need to try turning off Wi-Fi and trying your mobile data instead. If that is not the case, your servers might be also facing some problems. Just go to Downdetector and check if there are any problems with the YouTube music server. Also, make sure that your volume is not completely turned off. That way you might not hear it playing. If that is not the case, you might need to close and open the application. And if you're on an Android device, simply go to Settings, App, Music, and then Storage to clear cache. If that is not the case, you might have a potential update pending. Just go to App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and update the application. You might need to simply go ahead and restart your device as well if it is still not working, and if nothing works, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.